2002 Chevy Duramax Silverado 6.6 liter LB7. So over the last couple of weeks it's been hard to start, so I figured I needed new batteries. So I went out and I started with one, my least favorite, the ugliest one, and I replaced the battery, and that seemed to help just a little bit. And so I was like, crap, well, I should have more power than that. And it was weird. It would spike and it would, fall and be hard to start. And so I was just finishing up a brake job at my mom's house for her car, and I went to go start it. And it cranked really, really hard, really, really slow. And then it wouldn't crank at all. It just stopped, and that was it. No crank, no start. So I watched a bunch of videos, and they were all about this and tracing wire harnesses and all that good stuff. So I checked all of these. Turns out this one right here, the 40, was blown, which is, let's see here, what's it say? It's upside down. Stud 1, 40 amp. And so I replaced that. Still nothing. And eventually I came to the conclusion that it was the starter. Somewhere around in my head it was rattling around that a starter, when it's going bad, can cause a ground issue, which will drain your battery. And so my friend at work mentioned, it could be your starter. I said, oh yeah, duh. So I went ahead and replaced that, and it started like a champ. So that might be something you check before you get into all these wiring harnesses and everything else everybody's filming on YouTube, because it's a pain in the butt, but it's less of a pain in the butt than tracing all of your wire harnesses.
Oh, look who's here!
All right.